Okay, welcome all of you. Welcome to ASL Online, a unique concept in this pandemic era in the VUCA world. So, you all have all faced hardship, especially as students of class 12th. Hasn't it been difficult for you all? Last year in school and not being able to go to the school. So, you all will give in your personalized opinion on education in the VUCA world. Who is initiating the talk and the group discussion? One extra mark for the person who's initiating. Now will you all start? Shahid is all smiles. Okay, so
Should I start?
okay, Nikita
Ma'am,
has
I'll-
taken away the brownie point along with Shaurya. Okay, Nikita start. Shaurya can continue after Nikita. Yes, Shaurya. Nikita, sorry.
First of all, VUCA means volatile, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguous. And education is the utmost need and
Ambiguity.
undoubtability one of
Nikita,
the
please
most
put on your video,
important
please.
things.
Let's go one by one. Yes, you are absolutely correct. This is what VUCA stands. Could you kindly explain volatile? Kindly explain volatile to me and to the rest of your group members. Keshav, would you like to explain
Ma'am,
volatile?
Ma'am, in the normal course of life, I think volatile is used for mainly like explosives and dynamite and stuff. So I think what we can derive from it is volatile is like very unstable and reactive. Can we say that?
Yes, of
guess.
course.
yes, ma'am, it's related.
Okay, now tell me, all of you can join in this. How many of you have actually been volatile during this 1 year, nearly 1 year, 8 to 9 months? Losing your cool, that is what is volatile. We are not in a laboratory that we are talking about. We are talking in the lab of life. How many of you have actually not been very calm but have been volatile? You all can raise your hands. I have been. Sometimes it gets so frustrating. How many of you have been volatile? Okay, Shaurya, can you just share one short experience where you have been volatile?
Ma'am, because of lockdown, I was being volatile, so I started working out on daily basis to release my stress, and it helps a lot.
It does help. A small example of a pressure cooker in the kitchen, which just goes off at the wrong time, especially when you're taking the ASL or a class. Does it happen with you all? जैसे आप लोग का क्लास शुरू हुआ
sometimes the
yes
bell rings, sometimes someone comes in and it happens.
How many of parents have been a little non-cooperative movement कि जैसे classes शुरू हुए उन लोग के some heated conversation has started?
Yeah, ma'am, my father actually, when I think it was some of my exam, and he came, I was giving the exam and he came and said that, have you seen the notepad in which I have to write, I have written some notes. So it was really
Very volatile situation. See, now
Ma'am,
what did
this
you all expect? That we will start discussing just the definition? I don't believe in that. Okay, I'll just share one volatile situation innumerable number of times. My husband, I don't know why, with the day I started online classes with you all, he started pulling furniture as soon as in July I would start classes. Or he would start talking loudly to somebody and giving instructions, which was not needed maybe. It used to become a very volatile situation. Now it sounds funny. Any one of you have faced this? As how Adan has shared her experience. Yes, Shahid.
Ma'am, many of my sheets of the project is been torn off by my brother's children, which
Brothers,
are just
wow, achha.
yes, ma'am, which
That
are
is,
just around 2 years old.
so you can't even say anything. Keshav,
Yes.
what is your experience? This is really
Ma'am,
sad. Keshav.
my is not
But
with my parents.
my experience doesn't like necessarily involve me. My experience involves my father because my father is a lawyer, and right now online courts are being held. So
My son is a
one day,
lawyer,
like,
I can understand. Okay.
yeah, ma'am, you're acha, okay. We'll that later. So he had closed the room. He was online court, and I had just woken up and I was making tea for myself. So I thought like I should ask my father for tea also.
Hmm.
Opened the his online court and he was like, get lost, get lost, get lost. I'm doing my, you can't speak right now. Get lost, just get lost. He was like that. So that is my experience. But
Volatile.
as long as it involves me, they've been very cooperative. That's all I have to say.
So we have nephews, nieces, fathers. Any incident of mothers not being too cooperative?
Mom, my dog is not at all cooperative. He starts crying whenever I join classes.
Who?
My
Your
dog.
dog. You said dog.
He's crying. Yes,
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, even
that's
my dog is like that.
Very
He's crying.
interesting. This is okay. This is really interesting. The pets also not cooperating, a volatile situation. Keshav has spoken. Harshit, Gaurish, what is your and Vanchika, Nikita? Let me quickly before we go to the next term. Ooh, you. Come on, quickly give me your experiences.
Ma'am,
With
these
volatile.
situations happen very often in online classes. Like sometimes I'm having my online
Okay.
water or something. It's really
So it can be a volatile situation and we are all facing it. I really did not want
yes,
your
ma'am.
definitions. Now, what does EU stand for?
Uncertainty.
Uncertainty. Come on, let us relate it to the actual world till a week back related to education. How was the world so uncertain? Our world, educators as well as students. Let's relate it to that uncertainty.
Ma'am, they were not sure that exam would be taking place or not.
Absolutely.
And even in the COVID case, we were not sure that we will able to get out of this or not.
Absolutely. Yes. Yeah, Shahid wants to say something. Yes, Shahid.
Anything.
Anybody else? Shaurya, speak better. This
Ma'am,
is
anything isn't stable. Everything is changing. We have online classes now, and syllabus has been reduced and all. Anything is not certain.
nothing
Of
is
it.
nothing is stable, right? Till a few days back, even your pre-board timetable was uncertain. So there's a lot of uncertainty. Yes or no?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
all certain now
Yes,
that
ma'am. In fact, for both also there was
yes,
a very
absolutely.
uncertainty
Now
about
tell
the
me,
date.
are you all certain about the dates of the board examination? We are still
No,
uncertain.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, we're
No,
not.
ma'am.
We've
It
just
totally
been told
depends
that
upon the
May or
situation.
May or June के बीच में होगा, but we're not told about the
Yes.
exact dates.
Exactly. And we are still in that
Also,
uncertainty.
even after the
We are
date sheet
certain
comes,
yahan
they
nahi
will not-
hoga, but kab hoga, that is.
Exactly.
That is. So now you all are understanding why this term VUCA is so important. What is this word VUCA as a literary device? What is it? In terms of English, what is VUCA? That term.
VUCA is volatility.
I don't want that. I said,
Ma'am, lack of predictability.
no, I want to know what is VUCA? In terms of English, what is this term VUCA?
It is a combination of
It's
qualities
an
taken
abbreviation,
together.
I guess.
So what are these abbreviations called? It starts with an A. Come on. Brownie points. English. I am an English teacher. Have you all heard of an acronym?
Ma'am, it is an acronym that stands for
वो
volatility.
तो मैंने बोला Nikita that it's an acronym. I hope you all have all heard of an acronym.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
So,
But I was just blanking out.
yes. So my next point is that during an interview, during a group discussion, keep yourself very alert. वो blankness जब आ जाती when you are out of touch of something. So please keep yourself updated with your vocabulary, with your knowledge, with your current affairs. Is it clear? Is it clear? So
Yes,
it is an acronym where the first letter is taken out. Can you tell me another acronym?
Theory.
Pardon me? Another acronym.
Ma'am, the most used acronym is, I guess, the WhatsApp language what we
Okay,
use.
say it. I'm used to now you people's young language. ASAP,
Lamau,
ASAP, you all say. What is
LOL,
that?
ASAP.
as soon as possible.
As soon
Oh,
as
so what
possible.
is that?
CRI.
It is an acronym. Ab samajh mein aa raha hai
Yes,
tum
sir.
what is an acronym, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
SAIL Authorities of India. SAIL, SAIL. Ab acronym samajh gaye? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's go to this. After this uncertainty, we step into the next letter, and that is
C, complexity.
complexity. Quickly, Gorish will start. Tell me, how is this world so complex, especially since March 2020? Gorish, I want to see your face, beta. How is this world so complex? Shaurya, Harshit.
Ma'am, first of all, the situation was not clear as soon as the pandemic started. So everyone was having a fear of the situation, and the things get complex day by day, and everything was in a competition of that thing. I
Okay.
think.
Ma'am, we didn't know how the actually situation will unfold and what we have to face.
Go.
Okay. So things have, what is the opposite of complex? I'm just doing your comprehension now. What is the opposite of an antonym of complex? Quickly.
Simplicity.
Easy.
Yes, of course, Nikita, it's simplicity.
Simple.
Complexity, simplicity.
That's
So
simple.
has life been simple just now?
No, ma'am.
No,
Not at
ma'am,
all.
it hasn't.
Not at all. It's been quite complex.
Yeah, not.
Yes.
It hasn't.
So have you all heard of Abhimanyu ka Chakravyuh?
Yes, ma'am.
अभिमन्यु को क्या चक्रव्यूह से निकलना आता था कि बस जाना था?
नहीं मैम, उसको जाना आता था, उसको बाहर नहीं आना आता था.
So it is the same situation that we are in, that we have got into the complexity and the chakraview of the pandemic. We do not know when we will come out or how we will come out of it. Okay. So complexity. After that, what is the word? VUCA.
Ambiguity.
Ambiguity. Harshit, can you kindly explain ambiguity to me?
Ma'am, in simple
Nikita,
language,
no,
lack of
not Nikita. I want Harshit to explain. Ambiguous. It comes from the word ambiguous. I hope you all know that there are 2 comprehension passages and 20 marks of the paper is okay. Now tell me, how many marks will y'all, how many percentage will y'all give to comprehension of any paper in any subject? Now you all know how important it is to attend classes. What is the meaning of comprehension? What is the meaning?
Unseen passage and all that.
Yeah,
Reading
it is
the
when we read a passage and what we make out of it or what we comprehend out
Okay.
of it.
During the ASL, when I'm speaking, you are comprehending, and when you are speaking, I'm comprehending. Are we into passages just now? So it
No,
does.
ma'am, we are not.
I'm just talking in terms of English. What is comprehension?
Ma'am, the ability to understand.
Nikita, please tell me. You've been attending the classes. What is comprehension?
Ma'am, it's a mixture of sentences.
The ability to understand.
Shaurya, I love you. It is the
Thank you.
ability to understand.
As I love you.
Yeah, you get half a mark extra for giving this answer. Comprehension means understanding. Where does a passage come in? In the passage, we are comprehending and answering. Now tell me how much of percentage will you give to comprehension on any paper?
100%.
100%, yes.
100%.
I had people telling me 20%, 25%. So I said, okay, y'all will tell itna paper hum log samajh lenge, baki aap examiner
Ma'am,
ko
I guess
samajhne dijiye.
40%.
Who said 40%?
Keshav.
I did.
Keshav, baki ka 60% examiner samjhega beta.
Mr.
I mean, if you were talking about the passages and stuff.
No, I'm not
then
talking
of course-
about the passages. Why should I talk about the
then-
passage? Bhi
yeah.
comprehension karna hai, baki ka paper bhi comprehension karna hai. My sister's son, an engineer, he passed out from Vellore Institute of Technology. He missed the IIT. And he said that I will join the IITians very soon. We thought he's just talking for the sake. He's from Lamatinia, Lucknow. Okay, he's an alumnus. During the pandemic, then he did his MS from Georgia Tech. Okay, he reached there. During the pandemic, please, if y'all could help me in solving the puzzle, do you know where he has got a job during the pandemic? In which company? The Apple itself. The Apple company. He underwent, an engineer by profession, he underwent around 3 to 4 grueling interviews of 7 hours each. What helped him that time? Just his engineering degree?
Comprehension skills.
His
body language,
communicative skills, which
brain
include comprehension, his English, his word power. My younger son is in an MNC, the best company, ITC. He underwent 13 interviews to get this job. Each interview was an elimination round. 2 months it took. What helped him? Communicative
Comprehension
skills. Yes. And the power of this language.
Tone skills and powers.
Yes. So now you'll understand that why comprehension is so important. And now tell me the meaning of ambiguity.
Ma'am, it is a lack of clarity.
Absolutely. Lack of clarity.
Yes.
So if you all
Lack of clarity.
if you all do not attend classes, there
Not
will
the
be lack of
possibility.
clarity, sweethearts. There will be lack of clarity. You're
Not the
understanding?
possibility of being understood in more than one way.
Absolutely. Then there's
It's an example that there's not always black or white or black
white,
color.
there's gray
White or
also.
black path. So there's always a gray path, and we
Absolutely.
have to be stable on our decisions and
Wonderful. Yes, absolutely correct. So we
have
cannot
to
live
be
in an
stable on that.
ambiguous world. And this
we
is
can
what we are
also
doing.
make a mistake.
Okay. Now I'll just give you a little example before we just close this group discussion. Y'all are blaming each other. We are blaming each other. We are blaming the internet. We are blaming us becoming lazy. We do not want to attend the classes. We are not getting up early. Won't be getting up early during the school time. Aren't your teachers helping you all out by actually going out of the way to help you all? There were so many teachers who were not even tech savvy. They have become tech savvy.
Yeah,
Yes, they
ma'am.
have.
Our class teacher
Yes,
has
ma'am.
helped us a lot because
then-
you know,
Yes, ma'am. She's one of the best.
because
teachers.
we don't attend the classes. Actually, it's
So
difficult.
then,
Exactly.
but it's
Get
fine.
up.
Okay. Now I am going to be 54 this year. I'm an online educator, so I did not have much problem with online education because I've tried to help out my the teachers in Banyan Tree School, Lucknow. I was a director. I resigned due to a few reasons. Haven't I remained in touch with all of you? And I've promised till the board I will not leave your hands. So let's not make it ambiguous, children. Let's be positive. Just those 40 minutes of attending the classes actually helps. English is just not a subject. It is a way of life. It is the foundation for all the subjects. So try to concentrate a little bit on word power. Who will end the session now? And just tell me in short, what has this 2020 treated you and how? How has the year been? We take it from Shaurya. Has it been black, white, or gray? Vanshika, quickly tell me.
Good to me. It was. You
Okay,
can say
Shaurya
gray.
will tell. It has been gray.
Ma'am, it
Yes,
has
ma'am.
been a
Then we'll just
mixture
take
of
one by
both.
one. Shaurya, what has this year been for you, the last year?
Gray.
Gray.
It was good to me.
It was
Matlab, not too good or not too bad.
not too bad.
So
Okay.
I'll say gray.
Ma'am, it was
Gorish.
fine.
Gorish.
Ma'am, it
Gorish
was
is
not
looking
too
up
good.
at the skies through the room, through the ceiling. How has this year treated you, beta?
Ma'am, it's not good, ma'am, because I was not aware of the condition, and I was clear that papers or board exam will be held, but I was not met with the procedure that how it will be held or at what date or at what month. So I was not mentally prepared for that.
My
So
request is
it was not good for
just
me.
pull up your socks, and that's a metaphor. Pull up your socks and be prepared, because change is the only constant. जो इंसान चेंज को नहीं अपना सकता है बेटा, कभी प्रोग्रेशन नहीं होगा. निकिता, black, white or gray?
Ma'am, it was gray, as not every time we were high in energy, and sometimes we were very low, feeling low, sitting at home alone,
Okay,
and it was
it has been
very,
gray. But you
yeah,
tried to make it
it's
white. Just tell me, what is the color of white? What is white actually, the color? General knowledge. I'm not marking you all for this.
Ma'am,
I
she
don't know
would
where,
of course know it. She's in science.
white is the culmination of all the colors.
Exactly.
And black is devoid of all colors. So if you say white, it actually bring in the black and gray also. Okay. Harshit, black, white or gray?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Ma'am, it was
yes?
gray.
Okay. It was gray.
Oh, we got
In spite of giving me a hint, you said gray. Keshav.
Ma'am, it has been gray.
Okay. Adan.
Yes, ma'am, gray only. I mean, I would like to say it was multicolored because I
So
mean
then
we
which
have
color will you
faced
say,
different.
sweetheart? It will be white. It is the presence of all the colors. So white is the safest color. I just gave you all a
Ma'am,
hint and you all
because
did not pick up the hint.
because we have
Ma'am, can we like say a darker shade
seen
of
a lot of
gray?
ups and
Of
downs.
course you can. It's totally, the sky is pink.
Yes,
Have you all
ma'am.
watched that film or no? And the mother says, Priyanka Chopra, if my child is saying the sky is pink, it is totally his or her opinion. We should be able to accept that. Why can't the sky be pink? So why can't our life be white with all the colors? There have been happiness, there has been black, there has been white, there has been gray, there has been red, there has been green. Vanshika.
Ma'am, for me it was white because I have learned
Yes,
so
picked up
many
the cue.
things.
Great. Okay. Great.
I have learned so many things, and actually I have spent a lot of time with my family enjoying, and yeah, life was uncertain, but actually we have adapted ourselves in that life, and now we are happy with it. Now if someone says you have to go to school next day, personally I would not be able to wake up and go like suddenly. I would take some time to get into that routine. It will take some time,
That
but now
mode
I'm
of
enjoying.
getting up. Okay.
Yeah,
Who
but
has
now
not spoken? Shaurya, what is your take on this?
I'm on what? Ma'am, I spoke for I was the
Thank
first to.
God you said it. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
So I hope you all will change this VUCA world into a lot of positivity. Remember that change is the only constant. Change is the only, the day there are no changes, there'll be a dead end. And don't stop learning, children. Just don't stop learning. And remember that communicative skills is only given to the human beings by God. Please try to improvise as much as you all can. Ultimately, that will really help you all. I hope you all enjoyed the session as much as I did. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Please
You did.
do concentrate on all the subjects. On 14th, I will be taking a revision class again. If you want to join in, most welcome. Okay. Chalo. God bless you all. Take care. Shahid, घर पर आज नमाज पढ़ लेना बेटा.
yes, ma'am.
हाँ, it's Friday है. जुम्मा
I
है
know
आज.
I know that. He's saying मैं join नहीं कर सकता तो बेटा सब चीज का एक आज आप घर पर सबको बुला लीजिए, जमात कीजिए और नमाज पढ़ लीजिए. ओके, चलो, टेक केयर, लव यू ऑल,
Good
and
afternoon,
stay
ma'am.
safe. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.